This is what your life will look like in 2027. Your garage becomes your startup headquarters. Not because you sold anything, but because your AI rented it to 4 delivery bots running errands. 2 drones dropping off coffee and legal documents, and a climate-controlled charging bay that pays hourly rent. Your self-driving Tesla works nights alone, quietly making money as a luxury ride for exhausted executives. So if you want to be a part of this new economy, you need to learn how to use AI tools. Your Optimus robot mops your lawn, then your neighbor's lawn, then negotiates their HOA fees. You just wake up and check the balance. You see, by 2027, everyone will have an AI. Some will be more useful than others. Some will make you money. Some will do both. The AI economy is growing faster than the gig economy ever did. And by 2030, it'll be bigger than the entire global economy. This is how much money you're going to make in 2027 with AI. If you own a Tesla, you're going to make $3,600 a month. If you have an EV, you're going to make $1,800 a month. And if you have a robot, you're going to make $1,200 a month. That's $6,600 a month just from your garage. And if you want to know how much money you'll make in 2027, subscribe for more updates.